Good morning, traders. Welcome to Beyond Profile. Today is Monday, April 18th, new tax day. We've got a market that's gapping down, but it's gapping down to where we took off from on Friday afternoon, or I should say Friday morning on these markets. So this could be again, the start of a new balance area that we're forming on the S&P here. Let me get rid of these few lines off of here. For this to be like day number 5 of balance in this area, if we take and draw a right back box around this, we've got value acceptance. We've got the highs from Friday the 19th, and then we've got the lows down here at these 08s area. So the market is finding some sort of short-term balance area. Volume building a little bit in here. I think, again, if you look at where the monthly point of control is, it's this 27 area. I think the market's got a good chance of going back to that area this week, putting in possibly a lower high at this area, and then we go down and we make the lower low. So we're buyers this morning in the markets down here. And you want to be able to, you want to be able to hold on here a little bit this morning and see, because this is where the market had found value on Friday. So if the market had found value down here on Friday, you want to make sure that you hold on and watch to see if this holds down here, which it's looking like it has. They've come back down and supported the 08s and 9s this morning already pre-market. And we're starting to move up, probably back to the 13s here before we even get to the open. So nice development here, and again, this opportunity looking like it's a pullback. I don't see anything here that's, if we start to break these areas, obviously we've got some room because there's only tails here, 1298s. There was a big pickup in volume though on this candle structure here last week, because Friday's candle we moved up. But this morning, all we're doing is really just auctioning in the prior range. That's it. There's nothing earth-shattering. Even though we're gapping down, we're still gapping inside of Friday's auctioning range, you see. So nothing there as far as knocking us out of value, if you will, at the moment. So I'm looking at the lows of this thing holding down here to take it back up. And like I said, possibly 27s by the end of the week. And then that would put in our lower high. We're going to be closer to May. Sell in May and go away, the old saying is, and if we can get that lower high positioned up here at some point, I think we start working our way through all of this and back down to the Japanese, the tsunami earthquake lows down here back to 1243s. The euro this morning, let's take a look at that. Euro this morning coming right back down to some really key areas down here. I want to be a buyer down here, this 4250 area. In the euro, you can see this high volume node right here at 4272. 4272 area. This is the prior breakout area on the daily too. If we extend this prior balance area, this would be nothing more than a COP, a change of polarity area here, which should give a nice bounce out of this. I mean, we could get 4363s or so, which would be a nice move. We almost a whole point, if you will, in this euro, which would be a nice little trade for it. Some concerns out of Greece this morning, or I should say over the weekend, and pushing that lower along with oil lower this morning. This is actually going to be a island top reversal on the day session chart for the euro. The Chicago session, the pit session, once this opens, because this is a 24-hour daily chart we're looking at here. But on the normal session chart, you would see that it's actually a gap down. Here, let's go to it real quick. All right, here's our crude oil chart, and you can see we're down off against these 108s. Again, this is a big high volume node on the oil market. Key number here for it. Actually, it had bounced back to this trend line we had, looks like on Friday, and then maybe lower here this morning. I'll have to watch these 08s to see if they get supported here. If this 08 area holds, we probably challenge back to these 11 areas again for this market in crude oil. So, and again, this is almost a classic bear flag here if you look at it, because you had a move down with increasing volume. The bounce came on declining volume. So in ways, you ought to be looking for oil to continue lower here. I think that's probably the perspective that everybody's looking for. And if we can get that, this 108 area, if it cracks, this will be a good short actually back into it. So if we fail the 108s, you get a retracement back into the 108s, you take it as a short entry, and then ride it down back into the prior area. Okay. Just a reminder, tomorrow starts our two series of the Intro to Value-Based Trading. It'll be tomorrow night from 6 to 9 p.m. and also Thursday from 6 to 9 p.m. So if you'd like to get signed up for that, you can do so from our website. And that'll be, like I said, tomorrow night from 6 till 9 Eastern, and then also Thursday 6 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Okay, folks, have a great trading day, and we'll remember, short week this week. We've only got 4 days, so you got to make your money in the first 4 days this week. Have a great trading day, everyone.